Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Disney Plus has announced recently that they are releasing 13 Marvel movies in IMAX Enhanced format and many more will be coming in the future. This means instead of the standard ultra-wide 2.39:1 aspect ratio with these black bars at the top and bottom, now you will see the selected movies playing in 1.90:1 aspect ratio that covers more of your screen with the movies. And this is not just a zooming in feature, but the IMAX version will have more information to show in the picture as the aspect ratio is taller. And here's the list of movies Disney Plus released in IMAX aspect ratio. But in India, right now only Shang-Chi can be played in IMAX on Disney Plus Hotstar because as usual Hotstar takes time to implement. Hopefully the remaining movies will follow soon. Now, many of you might be wondering why is Shang-Chi still playing in the regular version on your TV? That's because Disney Plus Hotstar in India has only uploaded the IMAX version of Shang-Chi in Full HD format and that too without any HDR or Dolby Vision support. So when you try to play the movie on your 4K or 4K HDR TVs, Disney Plus detects that it's a 4K HDR display and provides the 4K HDR version of the movie, which is the non-IMAX format. So if you have a smart TV which is 4K HDR capable, Disney Plus Hotstar will not play the IMAX version, but you can make it play with the help of other devices. Let me show you how. The first and the most simple method is casting. Make sure your TV and the phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open Disney Plus Hotstar on your phone and play the movie you want to watch. Once it starts playing, tap on the cast button and select your TV. That's it. The movie now will play on the TV with IMAX aspect ratio. Do note that the quality of the casting depends on your network strength. The second method would be to use a HDMI device like FireTV stick or an Android TV box with particular features. If you have the basic Fire stick like this one, which is a Full HD one and doesn't have any HDR, then you don't need to do anything else. Just connect it to your 4K TV, play the movie on Disney Plus Hotstar. As Disney Plus Hotstar detects that the Fire Stick is only Full HD and there is no HDR support, it plays the IMAX version. But if the HDMI device is a 4K HDR capable one, like the Shield TV Pro I have here, or Fire TV Stick 4K, then you need to go into the device settings and make sure that the resolution is set to Full HD and even the HDR is turned off. I have the settings for the Shield here to do that. And now the movie which was playing in standard movie format is now playing in IMAX aspect ratio. Similarly, in the Fire TV Stick 4K, go to display settings and change the resolution to 1080p and the color depth to 8-bit. Once you do these two steps, all you have to do is go back to Disney Plus Hotstar and enjoy the IMAX experience. Now, if you don't have any of them, then you can even connect your laptop or desktop to the TV via HDMI and use the TV as a monitor. Access the Disney Plus Hotstar from any browser and play the movie. There you go. It started working in IMAX format. So that's about it guys. Thought of quickly giving you a shortcut to watch the latest Shang-Chi movie in IMAX version on your TV. Wish that Disney Plus Hotstar will soon provide an option to manually switch to the required aspect ratio on any TV. Though the IMAX version looks great due to the tall aspect ratio, it lacks details in the dark areas due to the non-HDR format and Full HD version. Maybe in future we may see 4K HDR IMAX version. Hope the video was useful. See you all in the next one.